आपकी डिपार्टमेंटल इंक्वायरी में पनिशमेंट हुई है, आर कोड तो देखिए आप. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल योर फाउंडेशन इज इनएप्रोप्रिएट, देयर इज एन ऑर्डर ऑफ पेनल्टी. आप लोग पढ़ते नहीं है फाइल को. ये प्रॉक्सी काउंसिल में यही दिक्कत होती है. ओरिजिनल काउंसिल सरकारी वकील बन जाते हैं, प्रॉक्सी काउंसिल को कुछ मालूम नहीं होता है.
पटेल
जी बोलिए.
This matter pertains to the petitioner was appointed as a staff nurse, and in between there was two charge sheet was filed against. And because the departmental inquiry was not completed, Your Lordship, and the one of the charge sheet was revoked also, Your Lordship. And since for that particular period, Your Lordship, she was not paid the salary of that particular period when she was suspended.
डिपार्टमेंटल इंक्वायरी में क्या हुआ?
Your Lordship, departmental inquiry was not completed, Your Lordship.
दोनों?
Yes, Your Lordship.
You
And
were never visited with any penalty?
no, Your Lordship. We have filed the reply, and after that, there's nothing was provided. No.
रिप्लाई आ गया आपका?
जी लॉर्डशिप.
क्या कहा आपने?
लॉर्डशिप अमाउंट तो दे दिया है इनको.
हैं?
अमाउंट जो इनका है बचा हुआ था वो तो इनको सैलरी पेड हो गई है.
कहाँ लिखा है?
R3 पे लिस्ट लगी हुई है लॉर्डशिप.
हैं?
R3 लिस्ट लगी हुई है लॉर्डशिप. R3 एंड R4.
R3 तो चार्जशीट है. ये क्या है? ये पिटीशन है. ये R3 कहाँ है?
Entire dues has been settled, lordship.
बचा क्या इसमें मैडम?
No, Your Lordship, the amount is not paid, Your Lordship.
ये तो लिख रहा है इसमें बिल से. आपके कब से पक्षकार से संपर्क नहीं हुआ आपका? बिल लगा हुआ है ट्रेजरी का.
Your Lordship,
ये बिल लगा हुआ है ट्रेजरी का. इसमें आपका जो पीरियड ऑफ सस्पेंशन का अमाउंट है, आपकी डिपार्टमेंटल इंक्वायरी में पनिशमेंट हुई है, आर कोड तो देखिए आप.
R1, Your Lordship, it was
R4.
R4.
अभी चैलेंज R4 2013 का आदेश है. ये पेनल्टी ऑर्डर है. योर वर्क इंक्रीमेंट वाज stopped without cumulative effect, and a decision was taken that you will not be entitled to any other allowance except the subsistence allowance during the period of suspension. तो इसके बाद क्या हुआ? उसके बाद जो आपका बनता था उन्होंने पे कर दिया.
Your Lordship, as per the instruction, we have not received, but I have further, Your Lordship, there is a
Madam,
second.
first of all, your foundation is inappropriate. You started that none of the inquiries were concluded. You were not visited with any penalty. I asked you in the beginning.
Your Lordship,
And now there is an order of penalty. आप लोग पढ़ते नहीं है फाइल को. ये प्रॉक्सी काउंसिल में यही दिक्कत होती है.
Your Lordship.
ओरिजिनल काउंसिल सरकारी वकील बन जाते हैं, प्रॉक्सी काउंसिल को कुछ मालूम नहीं होता है. कुछ है नहीं इसमें.
Your Lordship,
थर्ड, आपका शुभ नाम बताइए.
Pooja Gupta, Your Lordship.
Pooja Gupta, learned counsel for the petitioner.
Your Lordship, I see one,
I'll not grant a single day.
at least pass over, Your Lordship.
नहीं, पास ओवर नहीं हो पाएगा. बहस करने के बाद पास ओवर नहीं होता. आपसे अमेंडेड पिटीशन तक तो फाइल करते बनी नहीं आपने इतना. Has filed this petition seeking direction to the respondents to pay salary to the petitioner with effect from 20/1/2006 to 19/5/2009 and 24/6/2012 to 24/8/2012 with interest at the rate of 12% per annum. Full stop. Petitioner has also sought relief of quashing of the departmental proceedings. Full stop. Next paragraph. Brief facts leading to the present petition are that petitioner was working as a staff nurse When she was posted at Primary Health Center, Ubedullah Ganj, she was placed under suspension by the order dated 20/1/2006. Full stop. Her suspension was revoked by the order dated 4/8/2006. Full stop. On 1/3/2006, charge sheet was issued to the petitioner, and thereafter no proceedings were in, initiated to complete the said inquiry. Full stop. On 11/5/2012, another charge sheet was issued, reply was filed, but further no proceedings, no inquiry was conducted in pursuance to the said charge sheet. Then petitioner had submitted a representation to grant her salary for the period of suspension as she was not visited with any penalty. Next para. By way of amendment, it is mentioned that the respondents immediately after knowing about the instant petition, which was filed in the year 2017, and just to save their skin, issued a letter on 8/1/2018 by the inquiry officer saying in respect of some complaint made against the petitioner in 2006 and asked the petitioner to attend hearing on 18/1/2018. Full stop. Thereafter, petitioner had sought details of the inquiry, but instead of giving any reply and supplying any documents to the petitioner, on 18/1/2018, inquiry officer recorded a statement of in charge medical officer PSC Sultanpur, where the petitioner is posted, and inquiry was conducted on the basis of stale charges. In support, petitioner has placed reliance on documents annexure P8, P9 and P10. Full stop. Next square. It is evident from Shri Atul Dwivedi submits that two matters are different. It is evident from annexure P8 and P9 that inquiry was initiated in regard to some complaint filed against the petitioner in the year 2017, whereas as far as earlier charges are concerned, in pending inquiry in which petitioner was placed under suspension. पहले का तो बताइए ये क्या है, ये आपका तो बाद के ऑर्डर पेश कर दिया आपने. Petitioner was visited with penalty of stoppage of one increment without cumulative effect by order dated 29/4/2013, annexure R4. Full stop. It is mentioned in the said order itself. Petitioner will not be entitled to any other allowance except the sustenance allowance during the period of suspension. Full stop. It is also pointed out that some dues have been already paid to the petitioner as is evident from Annexure R6. Next paragraph. These are the dues of arrears which were paid to the petitioner, totaling 7,02,522 rupees. They were paid on 28/2/2014. Next para. जजमेंट लाई हैं आप, यहाँ माइनर पेनल्टी होगा, वहां पर पीरियड ऑफ सस्पेंशन रेगुलराइज करना पड़ेगा. आप लोग यही तो दिक्कत है. रेडियल साहब, कैन यू हेल्प मी? देयर इज अ डिसीजन विद हाँ, एंड आई थिंक दैट इट इज स्टिल अ गुड लॉ. आपको याद है साइटेशन क्या प्लीज?
सर मैं अभी बता देता हूँ.
हमें को प्लीज बता दीजिए. वो अप्लाई होगा इनको,
वो अप्लाई जहाँ माइनर पेनल्टी है.
लेकिन दुर्भाग्य यह है कि ये लोग पढ़ के नहीं आते, हमें अपनी याददाश्त से आपकी मदद लेनी पड़ती है.
मैं अभी
हाँ, लिखिएगा. नेक्स्ट पैरा. So, the Learned Counsel for petitioner has not brought any decision in her support. Let it go on record. Let your client know that what is the level of your preparedness. But the law on the subject is as laid down by a coordinate bench of this High Court in dash dash. Full stop. Where a person is visited with a minor penalty, comma, then period of suspension cannot be denied to be. But then authorities cannot deny to regularize the period of suspension. It is to be regularized for all practical purposes. Full stop. Therefore, once period of suspension stands automatically regularized in view of minor penalty order dated 2013 की डेट आई है. Annexure इतना comma petition is allowed. It is directed that if not already paid, the impugned order Annexure R5 is quashed. Respondents are directed to regularize the period of suspension for all purposes and pay the arrears if not already paid.